Bust point. So we have to remove this section while we close the dart. So here we've just drawn the empire line, which you can see over here. This is the curve. So we will close the dart only in this section. So like this we get the second stage, wherein we have just closed the second section by placing the dart leg on the dart leg, and the upper portion has the dart intact. And this, you can see, would just become a little bumpy, so we will smoothen out this line, and this section will divide into 2A and 2B. Ensure that you keep the grain line intact while marking these pieces. So then we move on to the third piece. Now this is the piece which has the dart removed, so it will become a fitted portion. Keep the grain line here. In certain kind of constructions like we do in the choli blouse, we can change the direction of the layout here also, the direction of the grain line as per our requirement or design. And here in the 3A section we have the dart, which when we will close will give the effect of the empire line. So this is our empire line is thus ready. Thank you.